In this video, let me show you how to gift Robux to your friend inside of Roblox. So what you can do basically in this situation is purchase a digital gift card. This is the safest and the easiest way of gifting Robux to your friend. So what you can simply do is search for a Roblox gift card and head over to the website of Roblox, where you can purchase different sort of gift cards that are available. What you can also do is shop on different online platforms such as Amazon. You can simply tap on shop on Amazon, and these are all the gift cards that are available. So you can simply purchase this gift card, and once it has been purchased, you'll receive a digital pin via your email address that you've added in. So you can simply share this pin with your friend. As soon as you share this pin, your friend must log into their account on a web browser or go to the redeem page of Roblox so that they can redeem their gift card that you just bought them. So using this exact process and using online retailers such as Target or Amazon, you can purchase the Roblox gift cards. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.